Multiply 0.66 by 10 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 1. Start one place to the left. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 6 is 6. The second partial product is 660. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 0 plus 6 is 6. In the hundreds column, bring down 6. The whole negative number product is 660. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 660 becomes 6.60. That is simply 6.6. So 0.66 times 10 is 6.6.